Fox. This is Fernando. And this is, like I said, I was going to record a Pokemon battle for my final project for the class, and here it is. So how this works is there's percentages and things such like that. I have the damage of everything that's dealt me by physical attacks for a few turns with this move. There are total HPs right here. Like I have 13 left. He's got 100 left. There are levels. There are IVs, abilities, and things like that, which all come into play with many different cases like this. Accuracy is a very important thing to the game. I'm 100% sure we can see that. Just let me angle that a little bit better. There we go. So that's that. Accuracy, like I said, is very important. This camera keeps moving. So I'm going to use Ice Beam because it's super effective. I'm knocked out due to the fact that I was attempting to set up to protect my other Pokemon. Like I said, there are many factors that play into this game. Levels, HP, such as Groudon sitting here with 256 HP. His stats distributed in many different ways to affect the game. Many supportive moves like this, it causes hazards, entry hazards, certain percentage of damage, etc. There's a leftovers right there, I believe. Yes, leftovers, healing 6% of his total HP, so he's back up to a 56% total. Survived with 4 HP, I took 52% that attack. There's Zoroark. There. That, didn't see that coming. That's awkward. So I brought him down to 59% total with that. I have left an entry hazard for him, and there are many other things that play into this. There's Sun due to his Drought ability, which plays into the factor all fire-type moves are powered up. So from being, I believe, a 95 for Flamethrower, it puts up at 110 to 115, I believe. I don't know the entire formula is 100%. So that takes down my last 10% of HP. Then I send out another Pokemon back to 100% HP. My wall is gone, therefore I don't take less damage from physical attacks. Moves like Dragon Dance and things like that are supported moves which raise both speed and attack of your Pokemon. Many things come into play in this. Such like stats are very important. And there's Tropius, he took 24% damage due to the entry hazard I had set up earlier. Since I raised my attack with Dragon Dance, I am now sitting at a 1.5 based higher attack than before and a 1.5 based higher speed than before. Now, Troodon already has a somewhat large physical power, so adding that to his revenue makes him very dangerous. There's an entry hazard on the Breloom now, so that plays very well onto that. I'm going to use Knock Off with a 60 base power, putting him down to 16%. He lost his Toxic Orb. I'm going to be knocked out here due to the fact that I have a low amount of HP and grass types are super effective, which means moves do twice as much damage as they would normally do. And I'm going to send out Tornadus. I'm going to Heat Wave if he has leftovers. Okay, that's good. I'm going to Hurricane for the knockout. So that missed. So I'm going to take, I believe, around 30% damage if it gets higher than 2 hits. Like I said before, 70% accuracy, 70% chance of hitting. Accuracy is very important to this. And that goes for the 16% of his HP left. It goes for the knockout. Leftovers heals 6% of his HP. putting him back at a 97%, basically making his Bullet Seed virtually useless. And now I just wait for him to pick his next Pokemon. So yeah. Aerodactyl coming in with an Entry Hazard hurts him drastically. Going to set up a Tailwind, so I now have priority against everything on the field. And goes for the critical hit, which multiplies the total damage by 2. So Stone Edge with the base of 95 now hit me with 190 attack. Since now I have priority against everything, I outspeed everything on the field. So I go there, get the 41% damage. My attack is lowered by that, but due to the fact that it is an Aerodactyl, I should be able to take it out. So I gain total priority against everything on the entire field due to that. I survive with 17% HP, which is very good for the fact that it is a very, very weak Pokemon, and that is a very physically powerful Pokemon. My attack has also been lowered due to Superpower. I am down to 0.67% of damage and 0.67% of HP, or defense, from what I had before. My Tailwind is no longer existent, it pettered out, which means I lose my ×2 priority. We are now on turn 14, sitting here with level 86 Basculin, Blue Stripes. There is a difference apparently, with lowered attack, lower defense, and low amount of HP. Now I'm literally waiting for him to make his move. I was hoping this video was going to be a little bit shorter than 7 minutes, but I don't think that's going to happen. Alright, dude. Waiting for you to pick. There we go. Zoroark comes in with damage due to Entry Hazards. He's put from... what was it? Well, irrelevant now. He's down to 47%. I'm hit with a Sucker Punch, which has priority over every move in the entire game. And I'm dead because of that. I'm hit for a 12% Entry Hazard. I'm going to go for a Yawn here. Either force him to switch on to something, or let him get the final knockout because I'm on my last Pokemon. Yep, and my 89% total HP left was gone, and I lost the battle. So there's that. Well, thank you for watching. To my other viewers, look at my videos once in a while. Thank you for watching, guys, if you did watch. Thumbs up the video if you feel like it, if you liked it or not. And thank you for your time, Mr. Fox. This was my final. I shall bring in some papers tomorrow with the equations and things. And I thank you for your time. Have a nice day.